Here we got a 65 Mustang, basically the first year. I know it's 64 and a half was the first year, but 65 basically was the first year to start seeing these things. Straight six, probably a 250. Very reliable engine. And this thing would get 20-something miles to the gallon. Oh, he's got the battery disconnect like I got. And here's your starter solenoid, nice easy way to set, you can either use a screwdriver to start it up, or in other words, if you got to bump the engine over to set the timing or something, or get it on top dead center, you can do it right there versus going down there on the starter. You can hook up your remote starter to that. These cars, I remember a friend of mine, his dad had one of these Mustangs in white, and they used to we used to drive this thing down to the beach, and because it was so economical, because it was like I think 90 or 100 miles each way. Saved a lot of gas. Nobody knew what the hell you had under the hood anyway. He said, "Oh, you got a Mustang." But they were economical, man. Got the spring on the antenna. Oh, he's got this covered up. Wonder why. I know there's a couple cowl vents right under here. Sometimes they can accumulate water or something. I don't know. Maybe that's why he's got that. I don't know. And the interior matches the exterior. It's like a mint green. Probably see. I'm not sure what transmission's in here. If it's a heavy-duty transmission, it would be the C4 for this. It wouldn't be a C6 behind a six-cylinder. But if it's a heavy-duty transmission for the six-cylinder, some of them did come with the C4, which actually the C4 was right behind the 289. It's got the under dash. What do you call it? Air conditioning. Yeah. Very clean car. Sweet.